Choosing the right accounting software for your small business feels like a monumental decision. You invest time, energy, and often a significant amount of trust in the platform you select. So, it's natural to wonder, once you've settled into Kashoo, are you stuck with it indefinitely? Is there a point of no return? As an expert in accounting management software, I can tell you definitively, no, you are not bound to Kashoo forever. While Kashoo might be the perfect fit for your business needs right now, the landscape of accounting software is constantly evolving. Your business itself will also grow and change, potentially outgrowing your current solution or requiring features that Kashoo doesn't offer down the line. Think of your accounting software like a vehicle. You might start with a reliable sedan that meets all your basic transportation needs. However, as your family grows or your lifestyle changes, you might find yourself needing an SUV with more space or a truck with hauling capabilities. Similarly, your initial accounting software choice might not always align with your business's long-term trajectory. Understanding that you have options and knowing when and how to explore them is crucial for the health and growth of your business. Let's delve into why you might consider moving away from Kashoo and what that process might entail. Why might you consider moving on from Kashoo? Several factors could lead you to consider alternative accounting software. Here are some common reasons. Growing business needs. As your business expands, you might require more advanced features that Kashoo doesn't currently offer. This could include sophisticated inventory management, multi-currency support, advanced reporting capabilities, project accounting, or integration with industry-specific tools. Limited integrations. While Kashoo integrates with some useful applications, you might find that it doesn't seamlessly connect with other critical software you use, such as your CRM, customer relationship management system, e-commerce platform, or payroll provider. Lack of smooth integration can lead to manual data entry, increased errors, and reduced efficiency. Scalability concerns. You might worry whether Kashoo can handle the increasing volume of transactions and data as your business grows significantly. A platform that doesn't scale effectively can lead to performance issues and data management challenges. Cost considerations. As your usage increases or your needs evolve, the pricing structure of Kashoo might no longer be the most cost-effective option compared to other solutions that offer more features for a similar or lower price. User experience and interface. Over time, you might find that Kashoo's user interface doesn't align with your preferences, or that it lacks the intuitiveness you desire. A clunky or inefficient interface can hinder productivity and frustrate your team. Customer support. If you consistently experience issues with customer support responsiveness or the quality of assistance, it can significantly impact your ability to manage your finances effectively and might prompt you to seek a provider with better support. Specific industry requirements. Certain industries have unique accounting needs and compliance requirements. While Kashoo is a general-purpose accounting solution, it might not cater specifically to the nuances of your particular sector. New technologies and innovations. The accounting software landscape is constantly innovating. New platforms emerge with cutting-edge features, AI-powered automation, and enhanced security measures that might offer significant advantages over your current setup. Understanding the switching process. It's not as daunting as you think. The thought of switching accounting software can feel overwhelming. Concerns about data migration, learning a new system, and potential disruptions to your workflow are valid. However, modern accounting software providers understand these concerns and have developed tools and processes to make the transition smoother. Here's a general overview of what the switching process typically involves. Research and evaluation. The first step is to thoroughly research and evaluate alternative accounting software options based on your current and future needs. Consider factors like features, integrations, scalability, cost, user experience, and customer support. Many providers offer free trials or demos, which are invaluable for getting a first-hand feel for the software. Data export from Kashoo. Most reputable accounting software allows you to export your financial data in a common format, such as CSV, comma-separated values, or Excel files. Kashoo should provide you with the means to export your critical data, including your chart of accounts, customer and vendor lists, invoices, bills, and transaction history. Understand the export options available and the level of detail you can extract. Data import to the new software. The new accounting software you choose will likely have an import function that allows you to upload the data you exported from Kashoo. While the import process might require some mapping of data fields to ensure accuracy, most modern platforms offer user-friendly import tools or provide guidance on the process. Data verification and reconciliation. After importing your data, it's crucial to meticulously verify its accuracy and reconcile balances to ensure everything has transferred correctly. This might involve comparing reports from Kashoo with the initial reports in your new software. Learning the new system. Allocate time for yourself and your team to learn the new software. Most providers offer training resources, tutorials, and support documentation to help you get up to speed. Consider taking advantage of these resources and exploring the platform's features thoroughly. Parallel operation, optional but recommended for a period. You might consider running both Kashoo and your new accounting software in parallel. This allows you to compare data, ensure accuracy, and gradually transition your day-to-day accounting tasks to the new system while still having access to your historical data in Kashoo. Cancellation of your Kashoo subscription. Once you are confident that your new accounting software is functioning correctly and you have successfully transitioned your operations, you can cancel your Kashoo subscription. Be sure to understand the cancellation terms and any potential data retention policies. Key considerations before making a switch. Plan ahead. Don't wait until you are facing critical limitations with Kashoo to start exploring alternatives. Begin your research and evaluation process well in advance. Involve your team. If you have employees who use the accounting software, involve them in the evaluation process. Their feedback and buy-in are essential for a smooth transition. Seek expert advice. Consider consulting with an accountant or a software consultant who can provide guidance on selecting the right software for your specific needs and assist with the migration process. Understand data migration limitations. While most data can be transferred, there might be some limitations or complexities involved in migrating certain types of data. Be prepared for potential manual adjustments or workarounds. Factor in the learning curve. Recognize that there will be a learning curve associated with adopting any new software. Allocate sufficient time and resources for training and familiarization.